Hello people, in this video I will show you the most effective yoga poses to tightening breasts. Before we get into the video, if you want to lose weight I will have a link to a great method to do it. Now let's get started with the video. 1. Warrior pose. The warrior pose will not only make you feel your strength, but it will also help you extend your chest and make it elastic and active. Separate the feet parallel to each other. Turn the left foot to the left 90 degrees and the right foot inwards. Exhale and bend the left knee. Your right leg should be straight. Raise your arms and align them with your shoulders. Turn your head to the left and look at the doll. Repeat 7 to 10 times and do the same on the right side. 2. Triangle pose. The triangle's posture will free and strengthen your chest, lengthen your spine and improve your blood flow. Put your feet apart. Turn left 90 degrees and right 15 degrees. Touch your left ankle with your left hand. You can eventually place your open palm on the floor and extend your right arm up so that your arms form a straight line. Keep your knees and spine straight too. Turn your face and look at your fingers. Repeat the exercise with the other side. 3. Snake pose. Snake pose helps increase lung volume, stretch chest muscles, strengthen abdominal muscles and improve posture. Lie on your stomach and inhale deeply. Slowly lift your torso and keep the lower part of your body on the floor at the same time. Balance your legs and arms. Raise your head and look up. Exhale slowly and assume the starting position. Try to increase the time you remain in a pose with each repetition. 4. Bow pose. Bow posture is recommended for all those who have back pain. This exercise helps to stretch the spine and beautifully shapes the breasts. Lie on your stomach, exhale, bend your knees and lift them behind your head. Try to hold your ankles with your hands. Now exhale slowly again and raise your legs and arms as much as you can. Your hips and breasts should be lifted off the floor and you should keep your balance on your stomach. Try to stay in this position for 30 seconds. 5. Wheel pose. Wheel pose helps to lengthen the chest, spine, and neck, increase fatigue and cure headaches. Lie on your back and place your feet a little wider than the width of your shoulders, then pull them towards the buttocks. Place your hands behind your head, palms down and fingers pointing back. Exhale and lift your breasts and hips as high as you can. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button.